Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding mattresses that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Butterfly Craze Kids Floor Pillow Fold. In case you want an attractive, quirky, and vibrant pillow fold, then look no further than this Butterfly Craze model. It features an eye-catchy design that'll undoubtedly attract you. Furthermore, it comes in both queen and king sizes, so you can choose one depending on your personal needs and preferences. It's versatile as well, so you can use it as a lounger, pillow bed, or floor pillow. This pillow fold comes in 4 design themes: navy with star, transportation, camo, and galaxy. It's perfect for star-themed playrooms and bedrooms. The pillow fold also comes with easy care instructions, so you can wash it using machines with a lot of ease. What's more, the model is fade-resistant, so it'll stay new and fresh for long. It's the ultimate companion for anyone that wants an afternoon nap. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Milliard Trifolding Mattresses, Cot Size. The Milliard Cot Size mattress is a high-quality model with high-density memory foam that will assure you of maximum comfort. The high-density foam also ensures it remains firm and stable even after prolonged use. Besides, the mattress is well ventilated to allow for better air circulation, which aids in temperature control. The 4-inch mattress is specially designed with a rich softness and custom body support that will send you into dreamland. It's perfect for travelers, unexpected guests, or camping expeditions. The mattress will provide a better sleeping experience without any need for bed frames of clunky springs. Overall, this folding mattress will provide you with the perfect balance of comfort, durability, and portability. At number 3, we have the Milliard Trifolding Mattresses with Washable Cover Queen. Milliard presents another thoughtfully structured folding mattress. The particular model has medium firm memory foam for ultimate comfort. Besides, it's CertiPure certified and features a non-toxic layer. The mattress has a removable cover with anti-slip properties to keep it in place. Measuring 78 by 58 by 6 inches, this mattress provides adequate space for adults and children as well. Furthermore, this mattress folds easily into a compact size, which makes it easy to transport and store. It comes in 5 sizes: single, twin, cot, full, and queen sizes. It also delivers maximum support and tenderness thanks to the 6-inch size. Whether you're a restless or heavy sleeper, you'll undoubtedly love this mattress. At number 2, we have the Olee Sleep Tri-Folding Memory Foam Mattress. Olee Sleep Folding Mattress is a great and attractive mattress that's sure to improve your sleeping experience. It features an excellent netted style cover, which is neat, effective, and beautiful at the same time. The mattress is comfortable as well, so you won't have any neck or back issues. The supportive memory foam folding mattress guarantees a soothing sleep. Furthermore, it's well constructed to ensure it serves you for a long time. The cover is removable and features a zipper for added convenience to the users. Therefore, if you have limited space, yet you want a quality mattress that fits in it, consider buying Olee Sleep Folding Mattress. And finally, at number 1, we have the Milliard Trifold Folding Mattresses and Sofa Bed. For those that want a dual-function mattress, a handy mattress that can still be used as a sofa, then here's your perfect option. The model has a memory foam mattress that can still be used as an elegant sofa. The material is CertiPure US certified, so it won't sag in any circumstance. It's a perfect option for people that like traveling or individuals with limited space. It's available in queen and twin XL sizes. The thick and firm foam not only guarantees enjoyable night's sleep, but it also makes the mattress durable. It can also work for sleepovers, in hostels, or during camping. Another notable feature is the 3D mesh cover that can be washed using machines. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.